Here we are. Under the bed again. Yeah? What are you doing, Goofy? What are you doing? Silly girl. Hi, Camera. Oh, are you going to take it again? Don't think so. Don't think so, Sourpuss. Anyway, we have been playing all morning and hanging out and being awesome because, oh, bless you, because we're going to have to go to a hair appointment, so she can't be here for a couple hours. And it's in San Antonio, so that means it's like an hour away, both ways. So hopefully it won't take too long. I can get back here. We don't have time to hang out, but hopefully I've worn her out so she'll sleep. Yeah? Yeah? What are you doing? Oh, bless you. That's a good burp. Hey, don't tear up my dress. Thanks. Come here. Come here, Goof. Alright. Get it! Go get it, come on. Get the camera. And you got it. Yay! Where are you taking it? You're going to jump up on the camera. That is shockproof and waterproof. So basically it means, yeah, isn't that true? So that means that I win. That means I win! I win! You want to play some more?